Little one over there first. You gotta go over the thing. Keep going. Pour, pour, pour. It takes a few minutes for it, so you're okay. A little more water. There you go. You're good. And it'll sink in a minute. Takes about 3 minutes, I think. Stay there. Oh, look, you can see the flower. It's starting to pink. Yeah. You have to look down into the container so you can.
Okay.
So.
Oh look, it's starting to sink now.
Yeah. That one's going a whole lot quicker than the one the other day did. Maybe because the water's hotter. Oh, that's cool.
It's really big, actually.
Yeah.
It's steaming up the lens on us.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's what Keira said was going to happen.
You're right, Keira.
Why don't you put a little more in that other one just so that when it pops up it has. There you go. Look, how cool!
There it goes.
Isn't that the neatest thing? Yeah.
The little pink flower that's there.
Now this one I haven't seen. This one should have a bigger, fancier flower. And we'll put some more water in there to get it heated. No, just put it. Oh, don't here. Give me this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, pop up. See, the other day I did it in a bowl and that didn't work as well. Just putting it in a taller container.
Yeah. From the picture in here, this one looks like it's gonna be really tall.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
what
have
it
to put
looks
a lot
like.
of water. I'm encouraging it. See?
There you go. Bad. Ooh, not so hard. Yeah, okay. I think that might be good. Look at that. How awesome is that? Look at that flower coming out.
It's gonna start sinking soon.
Oh, that's so neat. That's so cool.
It's orange in the middle.
It's what?
It's orange in the middle.
Oh. Well,
Look like
that's
anything else.
jasmine. Jasmine fairy maidens.
There it goes. It's starting to sink now.
Yeah. Oh, here's the. Stay there. Oh no, it's over here.
I actually really like the color of the other one. That
Yeah.
orangey color.
I think that's really cool how it's really opening up though. Look at
Yeah.
it. I mean, and the heavier it gets, the more it drops down and the flower pops up.
We may have to put a little bit more water.
So you don't break off the flower. Oh wow, that's so cool. Look at that flower.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Just trying to get it to stand up all the way.
Yeah. Oh, that's so neat. I wonder, is that a band around it? That if we clip the band around it, it would open up more?
Maybe. Try it on the 7 fairy one because you have more in that one, I think. Yeah, you have 40 cups in that one.